What's going on, guys? It's Mario and I'm here again with another vlog. I know I haven't been on this for a long ass time now, but I'm back. Today we're gonna be working on the truck, but guess what? Stay tuned. My boy just got a truck, well, just like mine, and I'm gonna let y'all get a sneak peek on that. Just stay tuned. So today we're gonna be working on the truck a little bit. I got a flat tire and I gotta change a few tie rods. You gotta take a piss. I got a backyard right there. So as I was saying, we're gonna change the tie rods, go and get a new tire for this piece of shit, and then we should be all straight. This side out, I gotta replace this.
Who got it out? There you go.
And we're gonna get this one out right here. So with that being said, let's get started.
Tap, whack-a-mole.
Yo, fender, my guy.
Whack-a-mole.
Stop, nigga. Stop, nigga. What the fuck are you doing?
Come on, Sal.
Just like that, she comes out. Now we just gotta take this part off.
You don't give up on your fans like that, bro? Come on, man. Get back to it.
Dumbass, how's this tightening it? Nigga, I'm tightening that shit.
So you was doing it. So you was doing it the right way the first time?
I don't know why I'm listening to you.
Just look, think about it. He's going to the left, but he's going like this.
That's tightening it, bro.
This is not tightening it.
That's tightening.
Nigga, it's not tightening,
You
nigga.
spin into your right hand, right?
Yes, nigga.
Okay, so that's
Okay,
tightening
nigga,
in
it's
regular
not-
sense. So
Okay,
they
but-
probably must have did it backwards.
Exactly, nigga.
Okay, so say that.
All
You
right,
trying to
nigga.
tell me that righty is not tighty?
So why you trying to tell
What
me
is
that
you
I'm
talking
tightening
about?
it, nigga?
Motherfucker,
I'm
why you
loosening
gonna
it,
tell me
nigga.
that righty is not tighty? No, nigga, it's lefty, loosey, righty, tighty.
Finally got this thing out. This is the old one. Well, one of the old ones. If you look closely, you can see that it's like rotted. And the new one, it's almost perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this shit in and show you what it looks like after. We're gonna go ahead and tore this down to foot-pounds. How many foot-pounds was that, bro? Alright, I think that's correct. Boom. That seems tight enough. Is that enough foot-pounds? Nah.
Like that girl in the water.
A little bit more. Alright, so you see the hole right there? I'm gonna go ahead and put the cotter pin right through and gang. And then we should be all set with this one.
And this, flea.
Alright, bend it with your fingers, you freaking African. He about to bend it in with his fingers in 3, 2, 1. Came to help?
No, nigga.
You're not. That's why I called you.
Yo.
You're gay.
Stop me, man.
How long you think it's gonna take me to
This
post
shit
this
gonna take
vlog?
you a good month.
Nah, this vlog will
Look, what's today? Today is March
19th.
19th, 4:32.
And
It's gonna take you at least 3 weeks.
This vlog will be up by tomorrow. By tomorrow.
Bet.
Alright, bet. So this is Antoine right here. He don't really work out on cars, but his at name gonna be right here. Right here.
I'm a bitch.
I'm not checking that dumbass Infinity.
You need to check it, nigga. My shit.
Shut the f up.
Oh, you got any wheels?
Yeah, dumbass. Those are shiny. Oh yeah, I did get new wheels, guys. So this is Quasi shit. Quasi just copped the same truck like me.
Nigga, I think I'll see this shit
On offer up.
Yeah.
Damn, this shit.
His shit clean, nigga. But it just
Clean, but it smell like hella fucking Reggie.
ah, call him back in. Get out of the nigga's car.
Just cut my new shit, my nigga.
What is this, bro? What kind of car is this?
It's an Audi. You already know how I do it.
What kind of Audi?
A4, my nigga.
Oh shit, 5 speed, 6 speed.
It's a 6-speed, my nigga.
Oh shit, I heard you.
Let me check the back. 2.0 T, my nigga. Check the back.
2.0 T. What it started real quick.
Should it started?
Yeah.
I gotta look for my keys though.
Quick with the hands. Quick with the Y'all niggas funny as hell.
Cut your nails.
Alright, let's get back to it. So, I'm still trying to get this thing off. Quasi's gonna finish it, hopefully. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna just go ahead. I'm gonna show you the difference between the old one and the new one. This is the old one. Like, the bushing is totally there's no grease in it anymore. And this is the new one. So, my car is definitely gonna be riding way different. At least I think. Something like I'm gonna go ahead and put this shit in. The Civic is dead, nigga. So there's the new fucking Audi tie rod. And for that, you know we got new wheels. You guys said you wanted me to do a walk around of the truck. Well, this is gonna be it. This is gonna be a walk around of the truck. With that being said, I'm gonna just take you guys around this shit. I took the 15 by 10s off and now I'm running 18 by 8 and I love this fitment way more. So 18 by 8. There's the interior of the truck. Kind of looks shitty right now, but I got quick release steering wheel. And that's literally it. I got my speakers in the back. There's not really much to the truck other than it being slammed. I have like a lot of rock on my shit that I gotta get fixed, but that's not no time soon. But apart from that, this is literally the truck, guys. Now that everything is in, I'm gonna go get a different tire for this and see if I could get an alignment. Now that she handles perfect right now, like perfect. So I'm gonna go get alignment for it. Like, so we leaving the alignment place. So we can't get the truck aligned today, guys. So we're gonna be doing that tomorrow. Hopefully I could get to vlog it. We're gonna be coming back to Tire City because that's the place to go. Tire guys. My Civic is still broken. A lot more content coming your way, guys. Well, look at that camera though. I wish I took like video when I had the wheels on. You've been searching, wavy too, so you be surfing. No more joking, so let's work it out. Because the mother niggas don't love you like I do. And you know this. That's how much camera I'm running. I don't know. I need to get an alignment. But I can't go get an alignment if the car's not driving. So as soon as the car get back, we'll be doing that. Alright guys, so that's it for this vlog. I'll keep you guys updated on what's happening with this thing. With that being said, I'm gonna see you guys.